We're at University College Birmingham, and we've got a whole range of students here from different colleges around the country that have entered various rounds of the competition, and we're here to pick a winner.
Welcome to the British Poultry Chef competition this morning. Ready, steady, cook. I mean, we've been sponsoring this competition now for at least 8 years, and for us it's all about trying to get turkey on that menu, and obviously by attracting young chefs to come and be part of this competition and use turkey, we just hope that in the future that they will build on that and actually start using it on a more regular basis.
So I think ultimately with the dishes themselves, you're looking for something that's on trend, something that's executed perfectly. What way their inspirations come from, because what's the point of creating a dish if you're not inspired to do so in the first place?
Okay then, chefs, this is for the main. You have 2 hours. Ready, steady, cook. It's been a fantastic competition. I think the standard has been superb, and it's probably been the best we've ever seen. It has been a very, very close. There is nothing to split between them, and we was actually deliberating over 3 dishes between the starters and the mains. There was 3 really, really close ones there. The runner-up this year is Bayan Zarazuki. And the winner this year is a Sylvan Junior Pillay.
It's really hard work, but I'm really excited. It was something I really wanted, and it happened. So I'm really excited of being the winner.